My name is Grishma Jinar, currently residing in Chennai. So actually, I am a 2012 BE Computer Science and Engineering graduate, and post which I was working with Barclay Shared Services in the operations domain. So recently, I have completed the data science course with Google. I heard about Google was from my husband. Came across one of the ad, and he just gave me a suggestion that you might approach them. So the very first thing that came to my mind was the Google was mainly one of its collaboration was with IIT Madras, and obviously that gave a very interesting click. And also from few of the reviews, I could see that the learning approach was so structured over there, and we had very great mentors. So that was the main reason that I have selected Google. Actually, my overall experience was Google was has been really very positive. Since I said that I have been a 2012 BCSE graduate, it's been a very long time, and I have worked with the non-IT industries, which should be a beginner friendly, but also industry relevant. Now we are not into colleges, so we cannot learn everything, but it has to be industry relevant as well. So when I entered, I took this data science course, and when I started learning, initially I understood that it will not be that easy for me, but with the mentor support and mentor guidance, it went so smoothly. 5 months were easily done, and post that, along with the projects, like hands-on projects were provided to us, it was like it really boosted my confidence very greatly. And so Guvi that really supported me and my mentors, Mr. Harshit Panchal, and he was such a great matter expert that, and also with the industry experience, he was a very great mentor that whenever the classes were taken, he used to bring his own experience, so that in order to understand what will be the challenges in that particular point of view, what should be the challenge that you might face when you enter a industry, relevant real-time challenges that were faced, he used to show us very easily. That part was extremely very great. When it comes to project, I have done few projects, and each and every projects were so unique. Like we cannot, if I did one project, it will be easy for me to do the next project. It was not like that, because when it comes to the data sets that were given, all were very unique, and the difficulty of approaching was very different. Then comes my interview placement process, pre-placement processes, and all even that was very unique, different thing. We were given many mock interviews in order to understand like how we are at the current situation and what are the market expectations. But all the part of my journey with Guvi was very special for me. With Guvi, we have learned a lot of different things here, but mostly the tools like Python, SQL, Power BI, and the machine learning tools. All are the tools that I feel now better confident than when I started. I'm now placed in Sayug Digital as the associate in the learning and development department. So with a reasonable good package, happily now glad I'm placed in Sayug Digital. My Guvi journey, it's like a complete career transformation for me, from a non-IT background to an IT background, with a great career gap, with a very big career gap of literally being a fresher. Now this career transformation is what actually Guvi did to me.